Hello guys, we have an announcement to make, and it's not going to fun video, but Eric and I have decided to go separate way. This was not an easy decision, but we have actually been separated since late January, and we have so much time to think about it, and we came to the conclusion that this was the best for both of us. As many of you watched our videos, of course we are having a great time, and we have achieved so many things, starting with like mountain biking. He's the one who teach me how to ride a mountain bike, or he's the one teach me like what mountain biking is. I didn't know before I met you what mountain biking is. We also have lived in a van like 24/7 over 5 years. I think that's a big achievement. I believe not many couple can do that.
It's almost 6, I think.
Yeah. So, and we traveled around North America and Japan. Now we're in Europe. We have shared so many YouTube videos, and that's also Eric's the one who started first and teach me how to run my own channel. Because of him, I'm doing this independently, and I'm here with you guys. So I'm very grateful for your help.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you very much. I've grown so much. Yeah, those like computer stuff, I'm very bad at it. He's really good, so he's the one who teach me everything. How to edit the videos, how to make thumbnails and stuff.
You're really good at thumbnails now.
How to think about titles. I'm very bad. Very bad.
Everything. You're really good at everything now.
Yeah, because of you, I guess.
And your own determination to do it.
That's a good way to say it. So I'm also grateful for your help, love and support over the years. That's why it's sad to announce this, but I hope you guys can respect our decisions. So in the future, we are not making videos together, but probably we're gonna ride somewhere in the bike park.
I'd definitely like to meet up with you again.
Yeah.
I don't know
We are still friends, and
where or when.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, the world is not that big, so we will meet somewhere.
It shrinks in my mind every time we go somewhere. The world gets a little smaller.
Yeah, and especially if he has a really great plan for the future, and I heard his plan. It's quite exciting, and yeah, that your plan makes the world a little bit smaller, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I have a very exciting plan as well, so I hope you guys gonna stick with us and enjoy our videos.
Yeah. Thanks for watching all these years, guys. Appreciate it.